Hello children, today we are going to start with lesson number 9 of English grammar. The name of the lesson is articles. Let's understand first what are articles. Children, articles are words that define a noun as specific or unspecific. The words a or an and the are called articles. They come before nouns. So children, articles belong to a group of words called determiners. So what are determiners? Determiners are a small group of words, grammar words that act as adjectives. Now let's understand about kinds of articles. We have indefinite articles, a or an, and definite articles, the. Now children, let's understand these definite and indefinite articles with examples. Example, give me the ball. Now children, the makes the noun something particular and definite, like the ball. Now the speaker is telling someone to give him a particular ball about which the speaker and the listener both are aware. And same example, give me a ball. Now a ball. Now here this is indefinite article. It makes the noun something general and indefinite. The speaker is telling someone to give him a random ball about which the listener is not particularly aware of, and he might ask which or what kind of ball you want, right? And same example, give me an egg. Now here it can be any kind of egg. The possibility is open. Come to page number 44 of your book. The article a or an is a weakened form of one and is called indefinite because it does not refer to any particular person or thing. Let's understand through this example. I saw a boy in the playground. So it could be any boy, not definite. He said he would have an orange. Any orange, not particular orange or any specific orange. Okay. Now let's talk about definite article. The article the is a weakened form of that. It is called definite because it is used to refer to a particular or definite person or thing. Let's understand through this example. The monitor went to call the teacher. Now children, when we are talking about the monitor here, the monitor of that particular class, and the teacher who is teaching in that class, maybe English teacher or Hindi teacher. So the monitor of that class and the teacher of that class. So it refers to a particular person. The sun rises in the east. Now the sun, it's a particular object over here, and east, it is also a particular direction. So the is used here. Now children, we will understand that how to use indefinite article, that is a or an. So first rule is article a or an is used before singular countable noun. Like you can count, use a or an only with countable noun, and it's a singular countable noun. A hen. So we can count hens we can count, but here it's a single hen. A hen laid an egg. So egg is also here singular and it's countable. right? An elephant killed a girl. Now here a girl, it's a single countable noun, and an is also single countable noun. The other thing is, children, that we can use a before a word beginning with a consonant sound. You know English alphabets, there are 26 alphabets, and we have 5 vowels, A, I, O, U. So rest are consonants. So article a is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. We can see examples over here: a dog, a pen, a boy, a file. D, P, B, phi, F. These all are consonants. These have consonant sounds. Next, words which begin with YU sound. YU sound. Like, children, in this example, it's EWEU, but it sounds U, YU. It sounds U. A university, a uniform. The sound of these letters is, alphabets is YU. In this example, children, we'll say a university. We don't say university. So it sounds YU. A union, a useful thing. Eulogy, a unit, a European. So all these words, these begin with YU sound. Next, words which begin with W but sound as, which begin with W sound, though it's having O over here, but we are not saying 1 rupee coin. We'll say a 1 rupee coin. The sound, the words, these words, they sound with W, W sound. Then article an is used before a word beginning with a vowel sound, that you all know. An ox, an ear, an elephant, an eye, an owl, an umbrella. Now these all are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. An inkpot, an army, an armchair, an idiot. So all these are the words that begins with vowels. Now next, article an is used before nouns that begin with a consonant but have a vowel sound. Children, remember, an MA. It's beginning with consonant, but it has sound of E. MA. It sounds MA. M. So these words, they begin with consonant but have a vowel sound. An MP, though it starts with M, but it sounds like vowels. Article an is used before a word beginning with the silent H. Here, children, we say an R. H is silent here. An air. We don't say higher, we say air. An air. H is silent in such words. An is used before such words which begins with silent H.